This is how you replace a belt on your Crosley phonograph. I've taken this mechanism out of a phonograph so that we have better lighting so that you can see what I'm doing. First thing you want to do is unplug your phonograph so that there is no power to it. Then you want to secure your tone arm, and then the next thing we will do is remove the C-clamp. I use a small screwdriver and just pry it off. You probably want to do this in a room that's non-carpeted so that if you get exuberant and the C-clamp flies off and falls on the floor, that you can find it. Then you just lift up the platter, and in this instance the belt has come off the motor and is around the platter. I don't know if you hopefully can see it. There's two posts, one right across from each other. There's only two of them. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the drive belt back on and put the drive belt around one of the posts. Then I'm going to hold it like this, put the platter back on, and using my finger as a guide, because the drive motor is right where my thumb is, I'm going to drop that back down. To get the belt on the motor itself, we need to turn this a couple times and it's going to pop off. It's going to pop off and be on the drive motor now. We want to test that it did in fact get on the motor, and so we will plug the phonograph back in and we will activate the motor. Sometimes there's a switch here. On some mechanisms you have to move the tone arm over to get the platter to move, but in either instance it should be working properly. It should start spinning for you. If it doesn't start spinning, then the belt didn't get on the motor, and we go through the process again. But 99% of the time, if you set it down properly, there's no reason that that drive belt won't pop off and go around the motor. In fact, you can hear it popping off probably. I don't know that there's a reason you have to put the C-clip back on. It's great if you are moving the phonograph around, but if you don't ever move it, you probably don't have to worry about it. But put the C-clamp back on. I put the screwdriver underneath the C-clamp to get it up just a little bit, because it has to go in that groove. Then I put my thumb on the post and just pull with the screwdriver. Some people use needle nose pliers, but this seems to work.